Assalamualaikum everybody, my name is Maher and I want to show you my adding machine. So I'm going to do 4 plus 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 0 equals 4. 6 plus 1. So we're doing 4.
Wait, hold on.
Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 1. Wait, why is 2 in them? It's 4 down there, 4 on the rock. I can't. Just get it out. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 fourths. Plus 1 equals 7. So 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. Now 0 plus 9. Now 9 plus 5.
No, be less than 3.
I think less than 10. Pick an exact.
0 plus 3.
0 plus 3.
Let him pick.
0 plus 3.
Okay.
3, 10. So one, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, 5.
Check properly.
Oh, 5. This is the big number. This is the cup. This is the small. So 1,
Wait, they didn't tell us what we added.
okay, 5. We're going to do 5 plus 2.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balls. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So, bye everybody.